Hello, please, can I jog with you, please? What is it? You look so sharp. Hello. Come down. Wow.
Why are you following me? What do you want? Huh?
You're so beautiful. Chill. A little
Oh my
bit.
God.
What is sexy, mama?
Why are you following me? What do you want?
I
Why
just
you
want to
stopping
do
me?
this with you. I want to jog with you.
Oh my God. You want to do this with me? You want to jog with me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Yes, I do. Daddy, you look so good. Come on now.
Wait.
Oh my God. Shit.
How long do we need to take to get to where we are going to?
We didn't even start yet. You can't keep up, huh? I thought you said you wanted to jog with me. You already tired? Okay, please. You know what? I don't think you really wanted to jog. Just go straight to the point. What do you want?
The only thing I want to get down with you.
Will you keep quiet?
Hey! You want to get down with me, huh?
Yeah.
You want to get down with me?
Yeah.
Hey, hold me, Afrocandy. You want to get? Do you have what it takes to get down with me?
Me?
Yep.
Ha!
You have to prove you are man enough to do that.
Man enough.
Yes.
Let's go. I got this.
Come with me. You will jog, oh. Yeah, keep coming. I'm telling you. No, 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 no.
Chai!
I thought you said you could do it.
Chai!
Come on now.
I can do it, but not on the road. I'm not a sprinter now.
Hey.
This is the room better than this one.
No.
I will prove where.
No, this is why you prove yourself. Oh yeah, let's go.
Dissolve!
Come on. Let's go.
No, no, no,
Come on now. Hmm? Come here. I thought you said you wanted to get down with me. Come on.
Hey!
Here we are.
I will do this tomorrow. It's inside the car. Let's do it tomorrow.
Why do we have to do it tomorrow? You said you wanted to get down with me. Come on. It's time to get down with Afrocandy.
Oh.
Yeah. Watch your head. Let's go. Watch your head. Now it's time to get down with me, huh? Wow.